Salut à tous. Bon, j'ai pas commencé pile à 14 h, hein. Je suis un peu en décalé. J'espère que vous allez tous très bien. On est sur Life is Strange 2. Que du coup je découvre enfin. Alors il y a des trucs dans les paramètres. Ah, pourquoi ils mettent des... Ah non, c'est normal qu'il y ait des petits... Je pensais que... Ah ouais, non, c'est bizarre. Ok. Ok. Bon. Bah j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve donc sur Life is Strange épisode 2. Hein, on va commencer. Alors, je le connais. Non, je vais continuer quand même. Je connais l'histoire de Captain Spirit. Donc, j'ai pas de soucis sur ça. Donc, c'est pas grave. C'est pas grave. On va jouer, on va continuer quand même. C'est pas grave qu'on n'ait pas joué à Captain Spirit. Donc, on est parti pour ce second épisode. J'ai bien hâte de voir ce qui va se passer un petit peu dans ce second épisode. Hein. Je suis curieux.
Once upon a time, in a wild, wild world, there were two wolf brothers living in their home lair with their papa wolf.
Mm-hmm.
They all lived happily together, but one day, hunters took their dad away. Forever. So now the brothers were alone, and they had to find a new home. They started a journey through the great big forest. The Wolf brothers wandered for days and nights, learning how to live on their own for the first time. They slept in the backwoods among creepy creatures and barely ate anything. They eventually found a peaceful orchard and were able to eat in peace. But they didn't know. Hunters tried to tie them up.
On a du coup un joli résumé sous format animal. Hein. Du coup le mec c'est un ours. A super wolf.
That's how they found themselves even further. Headed to the faraway land of their papa, where they hoped to find peace.
Donc bon, maintenant on a un objectif assez clair. Effectivement, on va à Merico. Life is Strange 2 est un jeu narratif qui met l'accent sur les choix effectués par les joueurs. Vos actions et vos décisions auront des conséquences sur votre environnement et sur votre frère. Réfléchissez bien à vos choix. À nos grands-parents. Du coup, oui, effectivement, j'ai pas de sauvegarde là comme ça de Captain Spirit. J'avais joué à l'époque sur PC, il me semble. Et bon, je sais pas si ça a une vraie incidence de pas avoir joué à Captain Spirit. Je pense pas. Hein. C'est juste pour qu'on ait le contexte, je pense, du personnage de Captain Spirit.
Try with this one.
That one's too easy. Look.
Don't brag. It was too heavy for you a few days ago.
Ok. Ok. Bon, il arrive à soulever des pierres là maintenant. Hein.
Let's try to lift something else. Not too heavy though. I'm a little tired.
You
Allez.
could try and lift mushroom.
Are you kidding? I don't want to hurt her.
Yeah, you're probably right. Let's leave the puppy out of this.
On a un rocher donc là-bas. Ah, on a lui. Bon, on va peut-être demander celui-là, ouais.
How about trying out that rock over there? Just one more time.
We already tried yesterday. And the day before. It's too far. I can't reach it.
Just one more time.
Aw, I'm so close. I can feel it.
Bah du coup lui.
How about that one?
I can do it with the small rods, but not the big ones.
You can do this. Trust me. Just relax. Focus.
I'll try.
Ah, tu peux le faire. T'as réussi à soulever une voiture. Hein. Il aurait peut-être bien y arriver quand même, je pense. Hey, officiellement réussi, hein.
Whoa! Holy shit!
I did it!
Like a boss.
Like
You're
a
getting good at
boss.
this.
See that mushroom?
Oh la
It's
vache.
the biggest rock ever.
Vieille ref, hein. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire? Faut continuer peut-être... What? Il y a quelque chose là?
How about those cans? Can you fly them all together without dropping any?
Sure. Look.
Ah ouais.
That's awesome, dude. You're getting way better at this. Come on, dude. That's just the start. Let's try something else.
Cool. You're like Coach Aaron. You're my power coach. A snowball fight?
Not yet. This is a new exercise, young apprentice. See if you can stop this in the air. Cool.
Ah ouais.
But you better not hit me. Like that time you gave me a bruise? Serious.
You won't let me, right?
Try it.
Faut que je lui envoie du coup.
You suck. I said don't hit me.
Sorry, I thought you would stop it. Serious.
Attendez, il faut juste que je réponde à un message important. On va l'envoyer sur le Xiang.
Dude, you almost hit our dog. Learn how to aim.
I'm sorry, Shroom. But you did stop it, Daniel. You learned fast.
Let's do it one more time. But near me. And not super hard.
It's just a snowball, Daniel.
J'avoue qu'il flippe beaucoup pour une petite... On l'envoie fort ou pas? Allez.
Think fast.
Oh!
Whoa,
Waouh!
Daniel.
That's what you get. Happy?
Hell yeah, I am. That was awesome. You did it, man.
I did. So you better be nice to me.
Hey, that still sounds nice.
Il est malade.
You're not getting better.
I told you. I'm fine. Just a little beat.
Well, you need to rest now. Superhero.
Bon, du coup...
We can go back now.
Yeah. Let's just fill up the canteens before we head back. That cough has been going on for days, Daniel. I really don't like that.
I told you.
Here we go.
The helitanker is over the wildfire zone. Get ready for water extraction. Ranger Diaz.
Nice work, Daniel. Glad to see our training sessions are paying off.
Thanks to you. So glad I don't have to touch that water. It's too fucking cold.
Tu m'étonnes.
Oops. Sorry. I said fucking.
It's fine out here. There's no one to hear you curse. Say whatever the fuck you want.
Cool.
Après, c'est pas une raison de dire 8000 gros mots, mais
What did you find, Shroom?
Ok.
Oh, come on. Not again. We gotta leave these poor bunnies alone.
Finding that house was a miracle. But I'm afraid we can't stay here much longer. Look, Daniel! I think I saw that rabbit from the other day. It's trying to get home.
Ooh, I want to see the bunny.
Ah! Fuck!
Sean!
My hand! Oh, dude. Your face.
Sean, you suck.
Come on, Daniel. I was just kidding around.
Sean? The family that lived here, what do you think happened to them?
They must have moved out. Maybe to another state.
But they left all their stuff behind?
I don't know, man. Maybe they live in Florida and only come here every 10 years. Maybe they got tired of these woods.
Well, I'm glad they left. This is our lair now. I miss my friends. And my room.
We really nailed it with this two-headed snow ogre.
Yeah, they're really badass. And Mushroom isn't even afraid of them anymore. Right, puppy?
Ok, bon, on a un abri, hein. C'est déjà ça, hein.
Cold.
Don't worry. We'll make a fire. We're pros now. Dude, that cough doesn't sound too good.
Nah, I'm okay. Just cold.
You kicked ass today. Level up.
I did. That was so cool. It's getting easier every day. Oh no, Sean. This is a haunted house.
More like, uh-oh, it's time to go over the rules. I told you about showing off.
I was just... Whatever. Dude, I know the rules.
Let's find out. What's the first one? Hide your power. If you spin one plate in a diner, what happens?
People will freak out.
And when people freak, what do?
They call the cops.
Exactly. The second rule is...
Don't, never talk about it.
Wow. Nice, Daniel. Because that's usually the hardest rule for you.
Shut up.
And the final rule?
I know.
Come on. You can do it.
Okay. Avoid danger?
Run from danger. This is the most important one. You know why?
I don't know. I mean, with my power, I can help us.
Only as a total last resort.
How will I know that?
If there's any other way of helping, do that first.
Maybe if I had used it before, Dad might still be here.
Daniel, you didn't even know. That shit was out of your control.
But look what happened to the policeman. Maybe this power is a curse. Or something.
Hey. We have no clue what happened. And it's not
J'ai un
your
petit
fault.
chat qui vient près de moi. Eh ben, je me demande si c'est pas plutôt le pouvoir qui
I'm okay.
est en train de l'affaiblir. Hein.
She must be hungry. What about you?
I'm always hungry.
I'm
Then let's
always
grab
hungry.
I'll make us some dinner.
Yeah. Before she eats us.
Ok. On va faire du feu déjà. Hein.
Mecha robot ready to take off. 3, 2, 1.
Shit. Where did I put my lighter?
Oh, the space scuba is hovering on a dead planet.
Hmm.
What sadistic theme do you have in mind today?
Trouver le quoi? Le briquet de papa. Ah oui. Ah, je peux le dresser.
Ready for today's training, puppy? Sit. Shroom, sit. Seriously, girl. Sit.
Mushroom, sick girl.
Eh
Are
ben.
you kidding me?
You just don't know how to talk to her.
I'll remember this. Traitor.
Traîtresse. Ah, ouais, ok, non. Où est-ce qu'il a pu le mettre, son briquet de cogne, là? Ouais, ça paraît bizarre quand même, hein, l'histoire.
Can't believe how much Daniel's powers have improved over the last weeks.
Ouais, c'est rapide, hein. Case Close 22, bah, c'est 21 Jump Street. Surtout, je pense, la ref. C'est drôle.
I wonder how far it can go. Hey, I put some clean water in the bathroom so you can wash a little.
Bon, c'est pas la maison la plus incroyable du monde, hein.
This room is fucking cold, so we put everything we didn't need in it and keep it closed. We never found the key to this door. I guess using the sliding door is cool.
Bah, il est où son briquet? What?
I hate it when I hear Daniel crying at night. I can't do shit. Daniel's cold is getting worse. We need a serious fire in here. We scored with these clothes. +5 street cred. Hey, look! Our buddy Raccoon is back.
I got my eyes on him. He stole Mushroom's ravioli yesterday.
Yeah. Next time we'll call the forest cops. You whiskered thug.
Ah, attends. Crayon de couleur, lettre. Briquet.
Time to get warm.
J'avais pas vu. On n'avait pas vu.
Here we go.
Hold on, Mushroom. We're gonna build a fire.
Ça va réchauffer un peu quand même cette histoire.
Dang, I am starving.
Guess it's time to start cooking. Yum.
Too bad I can't make a pizza fly to us. I could start Daniel's delivery service.
Is that the same from the previous days?
Man issue is kinda weird.
Mhm.
He looks so serious on this picture.
I still can't believe he's gone. I miss him so much, it hurts, Sean.
I know, Daniel. It's okay to think about him. I do it too. Tough choice.
Thanks, Sean.
C'est les mêmes.
Better talk to Daniel after dinner.
Hey, what are you cooking?
Oh, I'm sorry. Here's your menu choices. Ravioli or ravioli?
Okay, okay. Never eaten this.
Daniel needs to eat something after all that psychic crap.
Attendez, j'ai reçu juste une notification importante. Je vais être sûr de pas louper quelque chose. Ouais.
Daniel's been sick for more than a week. And it keeps getting worse.
Ok, c'est bon. Mhm. Allez, on va cook. Attendez, c'est moi où il y a eu encore un bug. Et je suis passé à travers lui. Oh là! Oh là, il y a des problèmes. Ça va, Daniel? Ça a l'air compliqué là.
I think I could get used to living like this.
On va sortir pour dessiner un peu, tiens.
Time to take the pen, dude. Okay, got it. Pretty good. But I can add more details if I want. I've looked enough. Time to draw now.
Ok.
Cool. I think I'm ready to draw this.
Sympa.
Come on, girl. Let's get back in.
Il est plus fou, ça y est.
Okay, dinner's ready.
On va pas faire très chaud, hein, par contre. Hein.
Getting sick of ravioli.
This is real food. It's better than nothing.
I'm just tired of the same thing. Do you want it, Mushroom?
Bon appetit, Mushroom.
Man, she loves this stuff.
Bon, ça a l'air tendu quand même cette histoire là. Hein.
Sorry. I'm cool.
Hold on. I need to show you something.
Okay.
Gotta show him the map. I think I left it with my books. Nothing here. Daniel, what did you do with the map?
What do you mean?
You know what I mean. Where's the map that was with my stuff?
Oh, this map. It's in my tent. Sorry, Sean.
Ok, dans sa tente. Bon, on y va.
Okay, come on, doggy. Let's go, girl. After all I've done for you, really? Shroom. Okay, Mushroom. Thank you. I get it. You're the boss. Time to play dead.
Elle est là. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il va lui raconter exactement?
Mother... Daniel?
Got you.
Il m'a fait peur.
Yeah. Okay.
J'ai eu vraiment peur, j'ai cru qu'il y avait quelqu'un. Oh la vache.
You almost shit your pants.
Of course I did, man. Anyway.
Waouh, mais fais pas ça, hein.
Okay. I think it's time for us to hit the road. You're not getting better. We're almost out of supplies.
No, I'm okay. It's just a cough.
Yeah, a bad cough that won't go away. Trust me, Daniel. You need some medicine. Look. Here.
Beaver Creek? What's that?
That's where Karen's parents... our grandparents live.
Okay. So what?
So we can go there and... they'll probably help us.
Why do you always force us to run, Sean? What if they don't like me?
They're family, right? Plus they owe us for what Karen... for what Mom did.
You sure? It would be cool to spend Christmas with our grandparents.
Man, they're gonna love you. Grandpa's super cool and... I'm sure you guys will be best buds.
Well... okay. But Mushroom has to agree too. She's part of the team. What do you say, girl? Okay, when?
Tomorrow. The sooner the better. We have a long road ahead.
We should do something fun for our last night here. How about a game of dice? If I win, I get to draw on your backpack.
You know I'm gonna win and draw a dick on your bag, right?
I don't think so, pussy. Party
What the hell? Ça va pas?
Okay, ready to lose, Captain?
Watch your butt, matey.
On va faire un genre de yams? Alors quoi? Je comprends pas tout là.
Here we go. Just need a 6, a 5, and a 4. Come on. I need a ship.
Too bad.
Il faut un 6, un 5 et un 4.
Okay. Give me a 6. Still incomplete? Jeez.
Sounds like a no score.
Got a ship now. This
Okay.
is my last chance. Don't fail me. Yes! Full ship and cargo. What are you gonna do?
You just lucked out.
Ah mais d'accord, parce qu'en plus vous pouvez l'utiliser pour un... Faut ajouter au butin.
Here you go, cargo. Great job, lubber.
Ouais,
Better than nothing.
je suis pas sûr de tout comprendre.
Not the best score. But I'll do better next time. You'll see.
You wish. Ooh, you see this? Perfect throw.
Yeah. Good job.
Elle a triché.
Ah, pretty good.
My turn now. Be ready to lose.
Je viens de comprendre, il triche. Petit bâtard.
Oh! What the hell?
Ouais.
You kidding me? I can see the dice rolling, dude.
What did I do? You're just finding excuses.
Stop cheating, man. You gotta be better than this. Especially now.
Whatever.
Can I get something better this time? Okay. Got a ship. It's better than nothing. Got a ship now.
I wonder what we would have done if we didn't find these dice.
I don't know. Probably read all these books.
Boring. You remember that time I beat Dad at chess?
You mean we beat Dad?
Yeah, you did help me distract them. I bet he would have liked this game.
Definitely. He was a great pirate. Just like us.
Captain Diaz, King of the Seas.
The dice are yours.
Got a ship now. I need a captain. Come on. Do you think Grandma and Grandpa will have a console?
Bon, rêve pas trop non plus, hein.
So, dude. Sorry.
And I win. Do you know what it means?
Yeah, okay. You want it. Here's my bag.
Let's see. Finished.
A poop? Really?
Ouais.
Yeah,
Ça vole
it
haut, hein.
suits you.
Well, Thank you very much.
So, let's do another one?
It's bedtime. Gotta get up early.
I'm gonna finish my comic book. She has to pee.
Okay, okay. I'll take her out for a walk.
You're going to smoke. Smells
Non.
like ass.
You're right. Don't.
C'est pas vrai.
smoke.
Voyons, pas du
What?
tout.
It's our last night, so we can do anything. All right, all right. I heard you the first time, dude.
Bon, comme j'ai dit pour le premier épisode, hein, je parle pas beaucoup non plus, hein, mais en même temps, c'est un jeu narratif. C'est, y a de la contemplation un petit peu, pour regarder diverses choses et admirer juste les scènes en fait. Mais quand j'ai à réagir, je réagis. Mais c'est pas grave, ça vous permet de profiter à vous aussi. Épisode 2, Rules, les règles. Au moins ils ont de quoi... ils ont un endroit où dormir un peu convenablement quoi. C'est pas fou mais bon. La cheminée qu'ils ont là, le poêle à bois là, j'aimerais beaucoup en avoir... J'aimerais beaucoup avoir un truc comme ça aussi. C'est difficile d'avoir ça de toute façon. Tant qu'on n'a pas une maison pour nous directement... Là, ils ont tout rangé.
Hey, Daniel. How are you doing?
It sucks.
I'm coming.
Qu'est-ce qui lui arrive au petit bout de chou là? Oh lui.
So, what's going on?
It doesn't fit in. There's too much stuff. It's fucking bullshit.
Okay, no more swearing.
Sure. Like you're always polite.
Come on, chill out. What did you pack in? What the Dude, you can't fit the whole room in. Don't worry. Your super strong big brother can help.
Awesome. Thanks, Sean.
Well, looks like we're almost set.
Where's Mushroom?
Still peeing, I guess?
I'm gonna check what she's up to.
Okay, I'll fill up our bottles and I'll catch up with you guys.
Ah, on est rempli là-dedans, ok.
Okay, all done. Where the hell is he? Daniel! Daniel! Hey, you out here?
Il se passe un truc, c'est sûr. Mais qu'est-ce qu'ils font?
Daniel!
Ah putain, va falloir suivre les traces.
Where is he? We have a 2-day walk ahead of us. Better get going. Daniel? Where are you?
Est-ce qu'il serait pas là-bas? Ah, attendez. Le chien fait pipi. Puis il est parti par là, donc. Puis donc il est allé là.
Dude, what are you doing?
Puis là.
What are they doing? We have to leave.
Putain, il a refait pipi là.
Daniel!
What?
What the fuck happened here?
What?
That's not good.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Daniel?
Oh non! Oh non!
Do not move.
It killed her! She was my friend!
Calm down, okay? Listen.
Mais pourquoi? Oh là. Non, mais vaut mieux pas intervenir, ça peut être dangereux.
You killed my daughter!
Oh la vache.
Fuck! Daniel.
It just
Mais non, champignon.
happened.
Genre là, tu vas me dire, si j'avais pas ouvert la porte vitrée, il serait pas mort.
Happening to me.
Shh.
Genre là, c'est de ma faute, genre s'il est mort. C'est vraiment mon choix.
Protect us.
Putain, j'ai tué champignon.
Save your strength. We'll figure it out.
Mais je voulais pas que champignon meure. Oh pauvre champignon. Pauvre mushroom.
It's all right. I'm right here.
Bon bah, rip champignon, hein. Il aura pas fait long feu, hein. Putain.
Here. You should do it.
Is that it?
Well, unless you want to say something.
Goodbye, Mushroom. You were such a good puppy. I'll always remember running through the snow with you. And how you snuggled. And I'll never forget you. Never.
Good girl. Rest in peace. You won't be forgotten.
Sean, do you think she's up in heaven? With Dad?
Yeah. I'm sure he will look after her.
Wait. What about his allergies?
Don't worry, Nano. There's no allergies up there. They'll be fine together. Okay.
Bon bah, ça l'ambiance, hein.
Let's get it.
Putain, j'ai tué le dogo, quoi. Non mais j'en reviens pas. Je suis vraiment le roi des cons, hein.
I'm
Bon,
sorry
ça se trouve
I
c'était
took the
scripté, mais je sais pas...
time. I don't know what I was thinking. If only I could.
I know. Come on, buddy.
Au revoir, mushroom. C'est triste. Dommage.
Wish we didn't have to go. I like having a house again.
Come on. Let's hit the road.
Putain, c'est terrible. Putain, on avait mushroom avec nous. C'était fou, ça.
They'll protect the next runaways that stay here.
Bye, Lord Snowman. You look after our mushroom.
So long, my dudes.
Bon, je suis quand même triste pour le chien, gars. Vraiment. Alors. Les plans sont plutôt jolis, hein. Ah bah ça y est.
We made it, Daniel. It's been a long time since I was here.
Eh ben, bah, j'espère que la douche ne va pas être froide, hein. Espérons.
Come here. Let me check you out. Claire likes everything super clean. Dad said she got pissed because he let me bring a snowball in the house. We don't want to look like total pigs.
Bon bah. On sonne. Ding dong. Ding dong.
What if they went on vacation? Or something.
We'll figure out something.
I'm sorry, we don't want any of...
Hello, Claire.
Sean? Oh my. Is that Daniel?
What's going on out here? I heard...
Look who's here. After all this time.
Moi, ils ont l'air
What the
gentils.
hell are you doing here?
Stephen, watch your mouth.
Well, it's kind of a long story.
Oh, you poor thing. You know he's sick, right?
Yeah, but
Okay, inside. Both
Moi,
of
ils ont l'air
you.
gentils quand même. Moi, ils ont l'air tout gentils, dis donc, les petits vieux là. Ça a l'air d'être tout rond.
Hey, is it warm enough for you?
oh yeah. Feels nice and toasty.
I gave Daniel some cough medicine, but you should have taken better care of him. He could have been worse. You were lucky. Stephen, may I talk to you for a second?
So, how's the kid doing?
He'll be fine.
Fuck. Did I make a mistake coming here?
What are we going to do?
I remember that. I think it used to be in the lip. Shit. I'm so hungry, my belly hurts.
Other people.
Feels so awkward to be here.
We have to do something.
A police officer was killed, Claire, you know? Our grandchildren are wanted by the police for murder.
I know. What if Sean is guilty? Sleeping in our home. Next to us.
Let's just ask him what happened.
It's good to be inside.
Faut que je regarde tout.
Finally. I just hope they let us stay the night.
Lord. Are you all right, honey? You want more tea?
Thanks. I'm good.
Well, Sean, do you want to talk about...
The police called us a few weeks ago. They're looking for you as suspects in a homicide and for assault and robbery in a gas station. Now, if you want us to help you, did you hurt that police officer in Seattle?
No! That's fucking bullshit. I never touched the guy.
No, don't get mad, Sean. We have to ask. We only know what we saw on the news.
All I know is that he shot Dad. And now he's gone.
Oh, sweetie. We are so sorry for what happened to your father, but why did you run away if you're innocent?
It happened so fast. I saw the cop on the ground, and my dad, and I freaked out.
Oh, I know. You poor thing. But That just made things worse for you and your brother.
You know the police would separate us. Maybe forever. Daniel would end up in foster care.
You can't be sure, Sean. Anyway, at least you've managed to come here alive. We're glad you two are okay.
I hate to think what could have happened to both of you. You need to think of long-term solutions now.
I tried. I swear. But I can't do everything.
So, what are your plans?
Go down to Mexico, to Puerto Lobos. Dad has a family house there.
Sean, you can't run away from the law like fugitives. How can you look out for your brother if you're both running from the police?
You two are gonna stay with us.
Oh, Stephen. Maybe we should...
After your mother left, your dad never really wanted us in your life. I can't blame him. But you're still part of our family, and we want to prove it, okay?
Whoa, really? Aren't you scared? The police already called you.
Lordy, yes. But we were also scared for you.
That's why you'll have to be careful around here. Beaver Creek is small and nosy.
We can stay? Serious? Awesome! Ooh, Sean, guess what? There's a huge model train upstairs.
Hey, you're supposed to be resting, young man.
Yeah, yes, he is. But he seems better already. Anyway, you and Daniel will stay here. At least until Daniel's better. We'll see what happens next.
Bon bah voilà, c'était trop bien. Voilà, fin du jeu du coup. Je rigole bien évidemment, mais bon,
Bet you're hungry.
j'ai du mal à croire ce que je vois actuellement. Alors qu'il nous reste 3 épisodes. Et qu'on n'est même pas à la moitié du 2 là. Hein. Il va se passer quelque chose, je sais pas, la maison va exploser ou une connerie comme ça. Il a écrit NSFW sur son
How do you feel,
sac.
Wolf?
Way better. It's nice and warm in here. And the food? Yum.
Yeah, feels good.
Feeling better? You look cozy.
Yeah. I love that bed. Thanks, Grandma.
Good. Your temperature is down.
I'm way better now.
You still need to take it easy.
How about if we say a little prayer and give thanks?
It's like a bedtime story, right?
Well, this is a bit like this, yes. Except the story comes from up there.
The ceiling.
So are we ready to pray?
Un peu con le
Just
gosse. Hein.
follow my lead.
Follow the leader, follow the leader.
Sure. We need all the help we can get.
Can you ask the blessed Dad? And Sean. And Mushroom. And you and Grandpa. And, everybody else.
Oh my, you are so sweet. Thank you, Lord, for bringing Sean and Daniel safe and sound into our house. Take care of Esteban and, Mushroom. Please, give us the strength to get over the hardships of the past and the trials yet to come. Amen.
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 Okay. It's bedtime. Try to get some rest. You still need it. And no roughhousing in here.
No worries. We're too tired. Good night. Oh, and thanks again.
Good night, Grandma.
Bon, c'est mignon quand même. C'est mignon.
Feels so nice to have a bed again. And a bathroom.
I hear that. Plus, you don't smell anymore.
Whatever. Well, Claire seems pretty caring. And nice. I guess Steven is too. I hope we'll be fine here.
I think so. And the more important thing is you'll have time to get better.
Sean? Are we in Mom's old room?
Nah, I don't think this is the one. Not from what I remember. But it's been a while.
Could we check it out tomorrow? Maybe find some of her stuff?
Why would you want to do that?
I just don't know anything about her.
Daniel, I understand. But we need to focus on where we are now and where we're off to. Mom left us. She made her choice. We gotta make ours. And we can't keep going back. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I guess.
Hey, man. You've been doing so great with your... well... you know. I was wondering... how do you do it?
I don't know. I concentrate and it just happens.
Wait. Does it hurt?
Nah. It's kinda itchy though. And exhausting.
Sorry. Anyway. Remember the rules, right? We really don't want Claire or Stephen to start asking questions.
I know. Don't show, don't talk.
Just keep that in mind and everything should be fine. Sleep tight. Little cub.
Eh ben, moi je pense que juste après le chargement, là, on va s'arrêter là. Parce que j'avais dit que dans tous les cas je ferais un petit stream, mais j'avais quand même très envie de commencer au moins ce deuxième épisode pour voir un peu ce que ça allait donner. Et je suppose que ça a sauvegardé quand même. Je sais pas. Ah, on a l'inventaire de Sean et de Daniel. Ah, j'avais pas vu tout ça. C'est fou ça. Ah, ça se met à jour, excellent. Bon, j'espère que ça sauvegarde, mais normalement oui. Hein? Écoutez. On va considérer que ça a sauvegardé. Moi je vous fais des gros bisous. C'était un petit stream rapide, parce que j'ai pas eu beaucoup de temps cet après-midi. Mais voilà, j'espère que ça vous a plu. Je vous fais plein de bisous. Bye bye tout le monde.